Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still see this as a 1, ABC of 2, looks like a big wave 3, ABC of 4, and it looks like we're in a wave 5. As you can see, price is really struggling to get beyond this point right here, so maybe it is time for a bigger correction before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think there's a good chance that this is going to go up, but maybe it will make a bigger correction first. It does still look to me like a 1-2 and we're in a wave 3. But just because I believe we're in a wave 3 doesn't mean that this can't make a pretty good sized push to the downside before it ends up continuing the uptrend. So let's keep that in mind and head down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I have my fib level here measuring this last move up. It definitely does look like three waves down on this time frame, so if it does make an impulsive move up, especially if it happens at a fib level, I would definitely take that as a long opportunity for what may end up being the continuation of the uptrend. So taking that down even further to the 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour, it definitely kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3 down ABC and then a wave D, and it looks like it's in like a wave E right now, which is probably not over. It's probably at least going to go down to the 78% and maybe even further than that to finish off this potential wave E before it makes an impulsive move up, takes out structure, and ends up continuing the uptrend. Now, like I was saying on the higher time frames, if this does make a bigger correction, right now I believe we're going down for a wave E, so if it does just continue to drift down like that, then it definitely is not going to matter to me because I'll just continue to look for shorts at the end of pullbacks on the shorter time frames until I get some sort of proof on around the 4 hour time frame with a break of structure to the upside that this downtrend is over. If I never get that break of structure and it just keeps making lower lows, lower highs, then I'll just keep on going short, and it won't matter to me if it's an A, B, C, D, E, or if it goes into a bigger thing, because I'll just be looking for shorts anyways and making money the whole way down. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I do not think this move is over. Maybe it will make a move to the upside, but if it does, that's actually very good for us because we're just going to continue to look for shorts like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. And if it doesn't respect this 78% and make a big impulsive move to the upside and it just keeps on going down, like I said, it definitely doesn't matter to me because I'll just continue to trade this thing short the whole way down. And if it grows into a much bigger pattern on the longer time frames, it definitely won't matter because we'll just be looking for shorts on these shorter time frames anyways, until we get some sort of a break of structure to the upside on around the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.